Children of God, the story of the Lady of Lourdes began in 1858 in a small town in southern France, where a poor 14-year-old girl named Bernadette Soubirous experienced a series of Marian apparitions. The Blessed Virgin Mary appeared to her in a grotto near the Gave River, a place considered insignificant and even dirty by the people of the town. During one apparition, Mary asked Bernadette to dig the ground, and from that spot, a spring of water began to flow. Many who washed in or drank from the water later reported physical healings. Lourdes soon became a place of pilgrimage, especially for the sick and suffering. The apparitions emphasized humility, prayer, and conversion. Mary identified herself as the Immaculate Conception, affirming a deep spiritual truth through a simple village girl. Over time, Lourdes became known not only for miraculous cures, but also for inner healing and peace. Up until today, the waters of Lourdes continue to draw millions seeking healing of body and soul.